Hello everyone. So today we go with Mark in a show of inventions for kids. Here are a lot of many different constructions, a lot of many people here. Mark playing with the robots.
Please run bike, have back.
The award ceremony is beginning. Events like this is very important for kids, for their brains, to engineering something, and looks a lot of people here. Everybody with some projects, with teams, with the big projects, small projects. Very like this. So this is a new school in Russia, very beautiful. I really like this. Mark, you like this?
Yes.
So soon we will know who win or what happened here and what we need to do next.
Мы приглашаем сюда Есению Мельникову.
So now Mark working with the hand, some hand works here. So I'm just looking around, and this is a new school in Russia. So check it out. This is the plate where we're writing. So this is the big touch pad. I think school in future should be like this. So in Russia, this is not a center of our city. This outside, near from the center, outside from the city. And this is the new school. Check it out, so beautiful. All new. Here, this place where they running, playing football or other, looks very nice. Check it out. Hey Mark, what do you do here? Oh, this is the ladybug. Ladybug. Yeah, she's flying. So check it out, this guys. This is awesome. So beautiful. Government school. In here they just VR. Okay.
Ты в какой комнате? Скажи мне.
So we finished at this time. That was very cool, right, Mark?
Yes.
Okay. So we go back to the home now, and we'll go back to the home and resume our other projects. Kids projects now are very hard because you need practice by yourself. Like if you are parents, if you are father or mother, you should understand the electricity, programming, or other many things. So Mark, you are a very cool guy. Yes?
Yes.
So now we go back. Thank you for watching. Be with us. See ya.